In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop saving lives to archive on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, tap at menu and tap at settings. Then tap at privacy, and in that list you have to find live. Just get into it. And that's where you can enable or disable saving all your lives to archive by turning on or off the feature which is called Save Live to Archive. If this feature turned on, that will automatically save your live videos to your archive. If you want to stop saving lives to archive, just turn this feature off. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.